Sending money from India to Hong Kong can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to understand the different methods available for transferring money internationally. The most common methods are through banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange brokers. First, you need to gather the necessary information and documents. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Hong Kong, as well as your own identification and bank account information in India. You also need to check the exchange rates and transfer fees associated with each method. Next, you can choose a method that suits your needs. If you prefer to use a bank, you can visit your local bank branch in India and fill out a transfer form. You will need to provide the recipient's bank details, including the bank name, branch, and account number, as well as the SWIFT code. The SWIFT code is a unique identifier for the bank, and it is essential for international transactions. Alternatively, you can use online money transfer services such as PayPal, TransferWise, or Z Money Transfer. These services allow you to send money online, and they often offer better exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. To use these services, you need to create an account, add the recipient's details, and fund the transfer using your debit or credit card, or bank account. Once you have chosen a method and provided the necessary information, the transfer process typically takes a few days to complete. The recipient can then receive the funds in their bank account in Hong Kong. It is essential to note that the transfer time and fees may vary depending on the method and the amount being transferred. To get the best exchange rates and avoid high fees, it is recommended to compare the rates and fees offered by different providers. You should also consider the security and reliability of the transfer method, as well as any additional services offered, such as tracking and customer support. In conclusion, sending money from India to Hong Kong requires some planning and research, but it can be a relatively straightforward process. By understanding the different methods available, gathering the necessary information, and choosing a reliable provider, you can ensure a smooth and secure transfer. Always remember to compare rates and fees, and consider the security and reliability of the transfer method to get the best value for your money.